we're diving into callback functions in C1. Imagine you have a main function that needs to perform some action, but that action involves a specific part that can vary depending on the situation. Instead of writing different versions of the main function for each variation, you can use a callback. 2. A callback function is simply a function that's passed as an argument to another function. 3. The function receiving the callback will then call that callback function at a specific point during its execution. 4. This is super useful for flexibility. Let's say you're writing a sorting algorithm. The way you compare two elements, is one bigger than the other? Might change depending on whether you are sorting numbers, strings, or more complex data structures. 5. Instead of rewriting the sorting algorithm itself, you can design it to accept a comparison function as a callback. The main sorting function doesn't need to know how the comparison works. It just calls the callback function whenever it needs to compare two elements. 6. This makes your code modular and reusable. 7. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a function process _data that reads data from a file. It needs to do something with each piece of data as it reads it, but the something is different depending on the type of data. 8. We can pass a callback function, let's call it handleData, to process_data. Process_data will read a piece of data and then call handle_data with that data as an argument. 9. Handle_data could be implemented in various ways. Maybe it prints the data to the console, or maybe it performs calculations, or perhaps saves the data to a database. 10. The beauty lies in the fact that process_data remains unchanged. It simply calls the given handle_data function without needing to know its specific implementation. 11. In C, you pass functions as pointers. So you would declare your callback function, create a pointer to it, and then pass that pointer to the function that will use the callback. 12. This might seem a bit abstract at first, but understanding callback functions is key to writing flexible and well-structured C code, allowing for modularity, code reuse, and clean separation of concerns. 13. Callback functions are incredibly important for handling events, asynchronous operations, and creating customizable libraries. Mastering them is a crucial step in improving your C programming skills.